play music on the... Oh wait, I'm not gonna do it. Hi. Do the sex noise. What? You just said you're not gonna do the sex noise. No, I'm not. Not anymore. I'm not. Oh yeah, because we heard from Mom and Scott doing it. And then Cassidy was like, yeah, let's go look through the window. Wait, did they... Oh my gosh, there's ice. Don't let her see you guys. Oh yeah, we have to come to the room because what if she's in the office? Here, come here. We gotta go through the snow. The blinds are closed. I don't see her. Where's her doorbell? Ready? Go. 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 Elena. Something come extreme wildflower. Wildflower. But still, I could have fell like down. Guys, I got a cramp. Look guys, I have a thick mustache. No, it's from running. Oh God, what if it looks through the window? We gotta hit it again. I'm gonna go knock on the back door. Yeah, I'm gonna knock on the back door. Anything? I don't think she's in there. Let's go see if her front door's unlocked. Okay. Wait there. Ooh, my feet are cold and... Oh, you're BA, Elena. It's chilly out. I'm gonna record this, Elena. I'm gonna kill this fox. I'm gonna stab him with the pencil. Hopefully it's unlocked. No, don't make any noise when you go in. Does anybody know her garage code? Is it open? Is it open or not? She's calling me. Oh.
Oh, it's in your house! We're freaking cold!
This has been 4.5 minutes.
You guys are retarded!
Hey!
What are you doing? Look at the sock on her arm. It's just a sock.
How are you doing it? What is that?
It's my hair that's not straight in.
Guys, let's go down the stairs on the opposite
Can I finish doing my hair?
I'm taking off these pants, but I don't have shorts. Oh.
Go in your underwear.
That's turning me on.
You're my mom's home, right?
Alicia!
Hi!
It's Bailey!
And Jamie!
Your dog?
Oh yeah, wait, have you seen Maggie yet? Remember you brought
Sniff,
us
sniff.
back?
Oh wait,
yeah.
I've seen your dog. I was here.
Yeah, are you still recording?
Yeah. It's been 5.5 minutes. Okay.